Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about top 10 incredible animal facts that will amaze you. Hope you will enjoy the video. Let's start the video. Welcome to Interesting Animals. The animal kingdom is varied with an estimated 7.77 million kinds of creatures on the Earth. While the richness of the Earth's biodiversity is well recognized, humans are frequently unaware of the fantastic things our animal counterparts can do. These astonishing animal facts will amaze even the most ardent animal fans, from cuddly critters you never knew kissed to ones who prefer becoming tipsy. Number 1. Human and koala fingerprints. Human fingerprints are surprisingly similar to koala fingerprints, so much so that they've been mistaken for human fingerprints at crime scenes. While orangutans and chimpanzees have fingerprints similar to ours, koalas are evolutionarily separated from humans since they are close cousins. Fingerprints, it turns out, are an outstanding example of convergent evolution, or the development of identical features in distinct species independently of one another. Fingerprints are thought to be helpful in two ways. First, they improve grip, allowing an animal to easily hold onto rough surfaces, such as branches and tree trunks. Second, they boost our touch sensitivity, allowing us to perceive the textures and forms of the objects we grip at a finer level. It's not that different for koalas. They are pretty selective feeders who strongly prefer older eucalyptus leaves. Their fingerprints allow them to properly check their meal before eating it. Number 3. Rhino horn is made of hair. Rhino horns are formed with the same protein that makes up your hair and nails, keratin. The rhino horn has a calcium core surrounded by a thick keratin covering. Other animals' horns have a bone center. Therefore, this is unusual in the animal kingdom. Rhinos sharpen their horns by rubbing them against trees because of their suppleness. According to Ohio University experts, rhinos' horns have merely mineral deposits of calcium and melanin at the core, similar to hooves and beaks, unlike other horned mammals which have a bony core wrapped in keratin. The same study found that horns, like pencils, are sharpened by honing. Number 3. Frogs and hypnotism. You can hypnotize a frog by softly caressing its tummy while it is lying down on its back. This may seem unusual, but one of nature's most impressive features is the ability to mesmerize animals. I'm not talking about playing a tape for your dog with positive affirmations. Hypnotizing frogs is a beautiful thing to undertake, especially with kids. It encourages everyone to come outside and appreciate nature. It's an opportunity to learn about and explore a frog's environment while also closely examining the frog. It causes no harm to the frog if you are careful and respectful of life. Physical manipulation, such as forced immobility, movement, or contact, causes catalepsy in the animal. This is typically a natural reaction. Freezing is an inborn survival response because predators can detect movement. A quick fear or shock can cause various animals, including humans, to freeze or death faint. Number 4. Sloths and food breakdown. The meal of a sloth takes 2 weeks to break down. The brown-throated, three-toed sloth is a wonderfully uncommon creature that lives in Central and South America's rainforests. The name sloth is associated with slow, and sloths certainly fit that description. Because their food is deficient in calories and nourishment, sloths have evolved to expend extremely little energy. Brown-throated sloths consume stiff, rubbery jungle leaves as their primary food. Toxins also abound in these leaves, a form of protection for rainforest trees. Sloths, on the other hand, have evolved a digestive mechanism to deal with these indigestible leaves. Their stomachs are multi-chambered, comparable to a cow, and contain a variety of microorganisms that help break down the leaves slowly. Number 5. Elephants can't jump. Elephants rely on their massive size and protective social groupings to secure themselves in various ways. And as it turns out, lifting 4 tons of animals off the ground at once is difficult. It is, in fact, impossible in the instance of the elephant. Elephant legs, unlike most animals, point all their bones downwards, which means they lack the spring needed to push off the ground. Elephants have many excellent characteristics, including a keen sense of smell, a low risk of cancer, and complicated social life. Number 6. Cows and milk production. In her lifetime, a cow produces about 200,000 cups of milk. Cows are incredible creatures. They consume much food, although cows generate considerable amounts of milk. Cows' yearly diet consists of 2.5 tons per grain, 6.5 tons of forage, a few yards of grassland, plus up to 7,000 liters of water. Cows produce around 90 cups of milk daily, enough to meet the needs of 30 children weaned. 3 cups each day, that's 200,000 cups of milk in a cow's lifetime. That's the top 10 interesting facts about cows. Many more dairy products are made with milk. A kilogram of cream cheese necessitates 39 glasses of milk. A kilogram of cheese necessitates 19 glasses, and 8 ounces of yogurt necessitates 1 glass of milk. Number 7. Giraffes are mute. Giraffes do not have vocal cords. For many years, it was considered that giraffes spend most of their lives silent, save for the odd snort. According to new research from the University of Vienna's section investigating animal acoustics, giraffes aren't so silent after all. They spend their evenings singing. Number 8. Ostrich's brain size versus eyeball. Ostrich's brain is smaller than its eyeball. The ostrich is the world's most enormous bird, with the most prominent eyes in the domain of mammals, which are even more significant than its brain. The eyes of an ostrich are roughly 2 inches, 5 centimeters in diameter, or about the same size as a cue puck for billiards. To adapt to its terrestrial existence, the ostrich requires wide eyes. Whenever presented with danger, it does not, contrary to popular opinion, hide its head in the ground. The ostrich's large eyes, which have many photoreceptor cells combined with the size of the image produced by the lens, allow it to see incredible details of predators even at great distances. If it notices something trying to sneak up on it, it will flee quickly with its large, powerful legs. Number 9. Orangutans and broken bones. Because they fall off trees frequently, around half of the orangutans have damaged bones. Every year, between 2,000 and 3,000 orangutans are slaughtered. While accurate population counts of orangutans are challenging, estimates put the number of orangutans left in the wild at between 50,000 and 65,000. Many scientists fear orangutans will go extinct in the wild in less than 50 years if the current pace of extinction continues. Never before has their entire life been jeopardized in such a severe way. Economic hardship, natural calamities, and human exploitation of the forest threaten the extinction of one of humanity's closest cousins. Number 10. Shrimp heart location. A shrimp's heart is positioned in its head. Shrimp is a type of aquatic mammal often used as a cuisine. Shrimp may be located in both saltwater and fresh. Shrimp have 10 legs and an exoskeleton that protects and structures their body instead of having a backbone. A shrimp's heart is situated on its head. However, according to a shrimp's specific anatomy, the heart is located directly behind the skull on the thorax. Although because a unified carapace covers both the skull and the thorax could be mistaken for still being a portion of the head. What do you think about the video? If you enjoyed it, then hit the like button. Comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.